What's up guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about this new wig from Azul hair collection. This is their 20-inch Brazilian body wave headband wig. Right? Oh my god. So I'm very excited because obviously I'm super lazy, and ever since quarantine I just haven't had the patience to do lace wigs, and I'm like, what's the point in me gluing all that junk all across my forehead when I'm not going anywhere? So this wig makes getting ready super easy. It's super quick. You just kind of like slick your hair back and throw it on. So I'm going to show you guys the inside, and then I'll show you how I put it on. So this is the Body Wave 20-inch headband wig in 200 density. It's got 3 combs along the front, and there, and then on the sides, and then 1 in the back. It's got a mesh cap, which is nice because that makes it breathable. And then it has these Velcros here and here. So you just basically put it on and go. So I guess that's what I'm gonna do. So before I do that, I'm gonna slick down my hair. All right, so I'm gonna slick down my edges. I just have my hair pulled back in a low bun like this. I'm gonna take my edge control. This is the LovelyBryana. I follow her on Instagram and YouTube. She's amazing. Her name's Brianna. If you haven't checked her out, I will put one of her videos down in the bottom bar below. I've been using this edge product for over a year now. I'm just gonna take a little bit and put it on my palm of my hand because I already have some in from this morning, but I'm just going to slick down my hair like this and use my little soft brush to brush down my edges. My curls have been a little damaged lately because I was using a lot of heat on my hair over the summer because I was getting ready for my wedding. So of course my hair is being styled a little bit more than usual. Just do a little bit more. Sometimes I like the baby hair look, sometimes I don't. I'm going to just take my little edge brush, sleek down that a little bit like that. I feel like the older I'm getting, the less patience I have when it comes to my hair. I don't have time. I just don't. Alrighty. Now I'm gonna take my wig. Look at that texture. This is straight out of the bag. I haven't washed it. Usually I wash my wigs before I apply them whenever I do like lace. But for this one, I'm just gonna go ahead and put her on. Go straight back like this. I'm gonna pull it up and over. I'm just gonna take the back comb, tuck it up underneath my bun. Then I'm gonna take the comb that's in the front right here and tuck it into my hair at the top here. Do the same with the combs on the side. And now I am going to pin this up so that I can do the back. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Tucked up back here. Now I'm going to take the 2 sides. Hopefully you can see this. I'm going to bring it like this over my ears to start. And then I'm just going to secure the Velcro. Pull my ears out. And boom. Boom, baby. You guys, my smile's pretty bright right now because this is a game changer for me. I am so lazy these days. I literally just don't have the energy to be dealing with my hair, so, and I don't need any more tears coming down these eyes over hair drama, you know? We all know what it's like. We all know what it's like. The tears that we cry over our hair, but like this here, it makes it so easy. That literally took me, what, a minute? 20 inches. and I'm ready to go. They did send me a couple of clips as well. So they sent me a little barrette that says Dream and a couple of headbands as well. So I usually wear black headband anyways. I'm not really like about all the color going on up here because usually I have a lot of makeup on and that's very distracting on its own. Like I don't need the extra from a headband, but she did send over this silicone headband. Now this, I don't know that I would necessarily need it for this wig, but for a lace wig, closure wig, definitely something that I've seen online that's been really cool. And then this cute little headband. So I'll try this one on. Okay. How cute. All right, let's do it. So, to wear it with other headbands, you would just take it up, put it on, boom. How cute! And so easy. Like, if you're like me and you don't have the time or the patience, this wig is definitely for you. Alright you guys, that's it for this video. I do still have a code with Azul Hair Collection. That is KAZUL5. It'll get you some money off on your purchase. If you have any questions, make sure to comment down below. Make sure you rate and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.